Keep your WordPress website secure, up to date, and performing at its best with our website maintenance service packages. It would be a mistake to see developing a website as a build once, set and forget task. A website requires ongoing maintenance to ensure business success. With our website maintenance service, we ensure that your website is fast, secure, and functioning optimally. This protects your reputation, enhances user experience, helps boost search engine rankings, and prevents potential security breaches. That means more traffic to your website, more conversions, and ultimately more sales. Our maintenance service is suitable not only for websites we develop but is also a savior for businesses who have been abandoned by the original developer of the site. We have 3 package options: Safety, Performance, and Performance Plus. These flexible packages offer a range of features from basic safety measures to advanced performance optimization. All packages include free hosting on premium Australian servers. Our safety package ensures your website is secure, functional, and has a good reputation. It protects against a variety of potential threats, including security vulnerabilities, blacklisting, malware, and malicious traffic, as well as issues that may arise from software updates and outdated software. It also provides a daily, fast and intelligent backup and restore capability to make sure your website remains fully operational. Our performance package is designed to take your website to the next level by improving your website's performance, speed, and user experience. In addition to all the features of the safety package, it includes a site caching system that speeds up your website, a content delivery network that ensures fast loading times from any location, and image optimization software that minimizes load times without compromising quality. It also provides hourly backups, uptime and link monitoring, and ongoing performance checks, ensuring your website runs optimally around the clock. With the Performance Plus package, you can make sure your business is as visible as possible to potential customers. With our Performance Plus package, you get all the features of our performance and safety packages, plus a monthly SEO report that provides detailed information about your website's keyword rankings, estimated traffic, and backlink profile. This report gives you valuable insights to track the progress of your SEO efforts and make informed decisions about your future strategy. Additionally, you'll receive up to 2 hours of developer support annually to make updates, edits, and improvements to your site as you see fit. So let us handle the technical details of maintaining your website, so you can concentrate on growing your business.